Alright, called out by a member, go through, truck a little bit of a fender bender. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take this truck, sling it over to the main road. Once we go through, sling it over to the main road, we're going to get it up, try to get one lane back up and running. Whole axle and everything's torn out, ripped towards the back. Spring hangers, every single thing's fine. So we're going to yank it over and then go through and deal with slinging to the front. Dang, it's a little bit on the shifted side over here. Alright, well, second that. Let's leave the trailer connected. Alright, so everything's spinning up over here. Following it, so gotta deal with that stuff. Alright, trailer pulled, no air. Go figure. Well, change, start sliding here in a minute. Alright, verify everything's still up here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and loosen up. Alright, see what we're looking at on airlines. Couldn't do what I wanted to do. Gonna have to cage everything. Don't want to lose daylight right about now, so just went ahead and supplied air to the trailer. Gonna sit here and drag it a little bit more. Get that ass in. Excuse me. That rear end out. snowing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit it down. Disconnect my air lines. Yes, I have a camera. Alright, set the second winch cable. Alright, go through. Here's what I ended up doing. I went to the frame rail, went behind the axle itself. The axle was originally way back here, but whenever I pulled it, lifted it, what it ended up doing is re-sliding everything back until I was at least in line with the chain to go down. When below the axle, like Michael was ended up telling me, I wrapped around the spring itself, and then I came up forward here to the end caps to end up going through. So got these done up. I'm gonna get that done a little bit better. A little bit of plastic I need to go through, get that off. Took the batteries off, bungeed the door up on this side. I got the tire batteries up here, strapped down, air to truck and trailer. Originally, earlier when I tried to go back to that valve, I couldn't, but right up underneath this dang catwalk, that's where the dang valve I was looking for to go through and release the brakes themselves. Get up underneath here so you can see it. Right there, there's the valve I went to. Drive shaft, of course, is dropped, secured. Go through, get something, tie that up. Put his air tank right about here. Got it strapped down. Got air, lights, everything to the trailer so I can go through and control it. My only issue that I have is this tire that's right here. I'm just kind of watching it, paying attention, making sure that it don't fly off, especially since I had to get on the interstate. So everything's done up. I went ahead and secured the steering arm. I went ahead and secured that to the spring itself. So this is kind of what it looks like that happened. I had to go about another 10-20 miles down the road to just be able to come here to this parking lot and be able to turn around, and then I'll go back another 20 miles, 10 miles just to get to that spot and then go from there. So I'm gonna go in, and now that I'm a safe spot, got everything done up, I'm gonna get all my hoses and everything just a little bit prettier.
Bruh. Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.